Anyway, I keep getting interrupted. But this is what I'm doing now. I am working for myself. I'm not working from home yet, but I'm working for myself, you know. And I get to see awesome, beautiful sights like this. No warehouse that you could ever work in would be able to afford you this here, this view. Good Lord. And it's crazy beautiful. Anyway, back to the. If you're not in Yereq Geo Energy right now, you're probably going to miss out. You're going to miss out on 5% of worldwide sales. Just crazy. 5% of one whole company's revenue stream will be coming through. Like I say, you need to find $99 every single month, or you need to pay the $900 and whatever it is for the year, and get all of the benefits that come with that. Like one of them is if you do the $990 something dollar promotion, you'll get like 20,000. I think it's 2,000 tokens, which those tokens will go up in value. You'll also get like 20,000 advertisements on TV, and you pick your zip code, and those commercials will come on your TV in your zip code, and you can actually have people scan your QR code, and you can make sales off of the TV, which is crazy. And there's so much more. So I'm not even going to try to explain all of it to you, but I'm telling you, this is it. I finally stumbled across the thing that's going to make me free. Anyway, when I'm saying this is beautiful, that's what I mean. This is awesomely beautiful. And so is Yereq Geo Energy. You need to be a part of this, and you need to hit me up. You need to message me and get involved, because we're going to the top. Thanks, everybody, for listening to me ramble. But anyway, always in part, I want to wish you love, peace, and freedom, because that's where I'm headed. I hope that you are too. Thanks, and bye for now.